Okay, this next one is just a quick throw together meal that I put together right after work. And I just wanted to show how quick and easy it could be to throw something together. So let's take a look. To begin, I've got my hot wok, some bacon fat, and a bit of oil. I've got a package of burger. And we'll just start browning that really well. Trying to get it broken up really well too at this point. In the meantime, I've sliced up my carrots too. A little bit of garlic, some rosemary, and some of the mushroom I dried and powdered from the dashi. I'll let that cook off for a while. And add my carrots and get those cooking. I've microwaved all my potatoes to get them started so I can just fry them off really quick. A little celery and onion, just kind of rough chopped all that. And then I had some water chestnuts left over. I'll use those for some crunch. And I've got my big bakers chopped up there, ready to go. And we'll just get this drained really well. And re-season now with all the same seasonings, rosemary, some of the mushroom, a little pepper, a little bit of my dashi used for the gravy base, and some granulated garlic. Now I'll add some liquid smoke. And some gravy mix. Get that all mixed up. And we'll get the potatoes started. My skillet heating up. I just smashed some of the red potatoes that I microwaved just for a little different texture. And I'll season those with some rosemary, granulated garlic, and onion powder. We'll just get those browning off nicely, and then Add the rest of the potatoes once I flip these. And then I'll just season these off the same way. Some rosemary and garlic and onion. And those are cooked off nicely. A little country sourdough bread on the side. Some of the fried potatoes. And I'll just top that with some of the hamburger gravy and we're good to go. So you'll notice I used some of the leftover dashi from the ramen episode. That is a great thing to have in the fridge, and it's great to use as a stock. You also noticed I used the dried and powdered mushrooms that were used in the dashi stock from the ramen episode. So that was just another way to reuse those and wring some extra flavor out of them. Just so happened I had a lot of potatoes ready to go that day, and so I put the gravy over those. It would really be good over noodles too. So I hope you give that a try. Until next time, thanks for watching.